So this is my Fiido L3, a long-range street bike, and I really like this thing. I like how nimble it is, its manageable weight, its folding mechanics, the large range and battery, and a lot of other things. But there is one thing that absolutely drives me crazy, and it appears to affect everyone because it comes from the factory like this. No matter what I tried, I couldn't fix it, and there was only one solution, for me anyway. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The brakes. They squeak, they pulsate, they annoy me. I decided to upgrade them. In my last video I showed you the Zoom DB680 dual piston mechanical brake and the Tektro E10.11 brake pads. So what we're going to do is we're going to install them, see if it helps. Alright, after a long while I was able to install them. I had to use all the brackets that came with the new brake. The old stock one did not work. I also had to use two spacers on each side. Did you guys experience this with your Fiido stock brakes? Did you replace them? Please let me know in the comments. And now, the moment of truth. So as you can see, that worked. There's no pulsating, no squeaks, and it's got some stopping power more than the stock brakes. I only did this to the rear brake as a test. I will for sure upgrade the front as well, as this suffered from the same problems. So thanks for watching, see you next time.